soldiers.
Okay.
The black buffalo soldiers. They rode their horses along the border and patrolling the border during the war in case the Japanese wanted to invade. They were a little bit concerned about that.
Really?
Yeah. So anyway, what do you think this is on the placard?
Like part of a bridge or something. It's on the end.
It's on its side. It's a turntable.
Oh, for a train?
Yeah.
Really?
We're going to build a roundhouse.
No way.
And the turntable's going to be put in at the roundhouse.
Wow.
No way.
Yeah.
An active, like, really turn.
Okay, yeah, I need a long view.
Go
He's
ahead.
going to record it.
Yeah, you do it. No, you can do it.
What do you want?
Yeah, do it now. Turn it on.
Years ago. Yeah. Never been to the museum. The museum. It's like along the track.
I'll be listening.
Museum shows the things that just clamps on. It is the best you've ever in San Francisco.
So the building here is a section house. So when the railroad was very busy decades ago, the track maintenance workers lived there. And they took care of all the track maintenance, both directions.
How many miles of track would they restore?
Probably like 20 miles each way.
Okay.
Or to the border that way anyway.
Yeah.
And that's our haunted train there. It's all decorated for Halloween. So that heavyweight over there on the other side of that building is one of our other heavyweights. It dates from 1927, Robert Ferry. And FDR actually gave campaign speeches on it
Really?
from the vestibule back in 1932.
That'd be a nice setup that you guys should have. Yeah.
So when we run our Christmas trains, that's on one end and then 5009's on the other end. Two.
The steam train. It's so rusty.
One more.
And that'll be right there.
Okay, who wants to do a long one?
Stefan?
I will.
One long one. One
long
long
one.
one.
Long. Well done.
You feel the power.
So my specialty is a nice smooth stop. So they didn't spill their cocktails back there.
That's more important with the wine train after 90 minutes.